Throughout his career, Senator Bob Dole was an advocate for many who didn't have a voice of their own. But his advocacy for the Armenian people, evidenced by his push for official U.S. recognition of the Armenian Genocide, stands out because of the direct impact one Armenian had on Dole. The relationship Dole had with Armenian surgeon Dr. Hampar Kelikian served as the inspiration for the newest special exhibit from the Dole Archives, Dole and Dr. K. Over the course of 7 surgeries, Dr. K shared his story of loss and renewal around the 1915 Armenian Genocide, inspiring Dole as he worked to reimagine his own future and build a new life after sustaining grave injuries during World War II. This exhibit has been years in the making. Michael Bobilian and Julian Zarifian conducted the initial research into Dole's advocacy for Armenia back in 2018. Late last year, our team began writing copy for panels, selecting objects and manuscripts to display, and creating the look and feel of the exhibit. The story of Dole and Dr. K is one of the many inspirational stories that can be told using the Dole Archives.